Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where my mission is to motivate you and help you to move on to the brighter side of the health. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 tips that you can use if you are suffering from synkinesis, due to which your eyes are getting smaller. I guess I have seen a lot of patients now who suffer from synkinesis and experience that as the days are progressing, their eyes are getting smaller day by day. Now in my previous video, last week video, I explained why these eyes are getting smaller. Now in today's video, what I'm going to give you are 5 tips in order to avoid. Now I won't say you can 100% get out of your eye getting smaller post synkinesis. It's a long-term process, and that's why using the steps comes in handy. So what are these tips? Let's have a look. So my number 1 tip that I would like to give every synkinesis patient is to try to relax your facial muscles as much as possible. Now when I say relax, all you need to do is just rub your hand multiple times in a day and just dab around your eyes and relax your eyelids as much as possible. Now, why this is important? This is important because your eyes are constantly getting contracted involuntarily whenever you are using your mouth muscles, isn't it? Now, whenever you speak, you chew or you hum, whatever you do, whenever you are going to use your mouth, the eye muscles are also going to get contracted. And when that happens repeatedly, they get tired and then they get tight, and you feel that your eyes are getting smaller day by day. So try to reduce. Now since you have synkinesis, you have to go through certain lifestyle modification. That is a very important thing. You have to bring change in the way you speak, in the tone of your speech, in the speed of your speech, because that will matter a lot. That's why if you are someone who is suffering from synkinesis, try to speak little slow. When I say slow, not in pitch, in terms of the speed. Try to reduce stressful words, or else I would say if you can find better smaller words to speak, that is better. I know it is not easy to do, but it is important to do at this stage in time. And try to listen first, calm down and then react. Don't try to shout or else make extra wide facial movements by using wide words or opening and closing your mouth wide. That will increase the pressure on your eyes. The second tip that I would like to give you is related to your food. Yes, whenever you are trying to eat food, make sure that you make them into small pieces and then you eat. Don't try to open your mouth wide and grab it the way we eat samosas or burgers, right? In that or else rolls, we have to open our mouth wide. Whenever you will do that, your eyes will get further tight and will get shorter. So to avoid that, you have to cut or else take small bites and then eat. That will help to reduce that extra contractures on the eyes and will prevent eye closure. That's the second tip. Third tip is to chew your food slowly. Don't try to gulp your food or chew it very hard or very fast. Also prefer soft foods as much as possible over hard foods, because all of them will require more chewing action, and the more the chewing action, the more is going to be the more your eyes will get smaller. That brings me to the next tip, and that is to practice eye relaxation. Now that was my first point as well. Now this is the second point. So when I say eye muscle relaxation, all you need to do is make sure that whenever you find time between your work, whenever you feel that eyes are getting more and more contracted, give some break, close your eyes, maintain this position and then come back. This will remove that extra pressure, extra tiredness from your eyes, and you will feel better. That brings me to the next point to avoid it, is related to chewing. Now many a times patients experience that when they are chewing, their eyes are getting smaller. Now there are 2 ways that you can follow at this point in time. When you are chewing your food, either you can look upward and outward, while chewing, or else you can keep your eyes closed and then chew your food. In both the scenarios, you are relaxing your eye muscles and the pressure from the eyes is reducing, and you will feel less pull or contracture around the eyes. That brings me to the next point, and that is avoid screen time as much as possible. I'm not saying that you remove screens from your life, no, but try to avoid. Please don't binge watch things, because binge watching will increase pressure on the eyes. That will increase the eye muscle tightness. Very similarly, when you are stepping outside the house, make sure that you are wearing proper glasses so that sun rays or water droplets don't directly fall on your eyes, which your eyes are sensitive to, in order to prevent further shortening. And that brings me to the last point, and that is to give massage to your eyes daily. I say this repeatedly, and I can't stress more on this, that massage is more important on your facial muscles than facial exercises, because in synkinesis your facial muscles are contracting more. So if you want to get rid of that, you need to massage your eyelids. All you need to do, just take any moisturizer and then in circular form, just or else in this form, from inside to out, massage your upper eyelid and then your lower eyelid. And this way you would be able to keep your eyes relaxed and will be able to prevent eyes from getting smaller further. I hope these tips were helpful for you. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.